Today I'm going to do a review on these magnetic quick release adapter mounts for the action camera. This is for the Osmo 5, but you can use it for the 3, the 4, or the 5. These are made by DJI Concept, reputable company. Make a lot of good products, especially in lenses. But what we did was we wanted to get a couple of extra pieces here so that we could have an extension and be able to go from one unit to another. So here we are. You can see these are the magnetic mounts. They got the quick releases. They also give us quarter 20 screw mount, so we can put this on there. And what else? Then they also give us another quick mount, release mount, if that's what you need. So what we want to know is, here's the regular DJI mount. So here they are side by side. You got the same holding patterns on here, the same quick releases right there. So let's see, snaps right in, snaps right on. There is no shake, no vibration. We can take and put this right onto another mount like so. So if I want to go from a selfie stick to a tripod or something like that, now all I got to do is do the quick release like that, snap right into the other one, and we are good to go. If I want to go vertical, and you just heard it, snap right in, and now we're good to go there. Yep, these are the magnetic quick release mounts from DJI Concept. These are going to work fine.